Namaskaram, welcome to Herald TV News Bulletin with me, Shaleen. Following Qatar Airways, SpiceJet Airlines has also announced the suspension of its operations at Dubai Airport. Nevertheless, SpiceJet will continue its services at Manor International Airport, Mopa. Concerns have been voiced by the residents of South Goa regarding the ongoing suspension of operations by multiple airlines at Dubai Airport. Despite these concerns, both the government and the airport authorities have consistently refused any such claims.
SpiceJet last operated from Dubai Airport, I think 28th October 2023.
Okay, so from then
Since
on.
then, they are not operating. It is their business decision.
So, but how many flights they were operating earlier per day? Any idea?
At the end, I think they were operating 1 or 2 flights.
Okay, so they slowly cut down, stopped operation totally.
They are not operating right now.
Sir, any reason, particular reason? Some believe that airport handling charges are more and better offers elsewhere. Is that one of the reasons? There is a
No such what you call cost is more here, cost is less. It's not that. There's a misconception nowadays. Even some of the news articles were saying that doubling is costlier to operate, but it's absolutely it is wrong. And today also we have seen in some newspapers articles in the name of rescue of Dubai Airport by spreading false information. They are damaging the Dubai Airport's prospects. Generally, you see they are writing UDF charges are more at Dubai Airport, but UDF charges are less here, and operating cost at Dubai Airport is less.
Sir, somewhere when it comes to Dabolim, a lot of politics is happening. There are parties who are coming claiming that Dabolim is going to shut down. At one side you are doing infrastructure of crores of rupees, one side, other side people are saying it is going to be stopped. What is your say as an airport director?
See, I am a political person. We have nothing to do with politics. Dubai Airport will continue to grow, and operational facilities will continue to improve the things. And this airport is having good potential.
With hardly 2 days for the code of conduct to be enforced, the BJP has still not divulged the name of their candidate for South Goa. Congress, however, is 2 steps behind as they have not declared any candidate yet. Several names have been making rounds for the BJP candidate. However, the Congress, even after having a sitting MP in South, has remained tight-lipped. With aberrations like the scheduled tribes issue and the internal differences between the ruling BJP cadre in Goa, both BJP and Congress continue to wait to put their best foot forward. After withdrawing the chain hunger strike, scheduled tribes organizations in Goa have decided to launch a statewide campaign to create awareness among people regarding how the government intentionally deprived communities belonging to scheduled tribes for their right to political reservations. But will the anger reproduce into real political damage to the BJP? Watch this report.
It is resolved that if current central government fail to issue notification to reserve 4 seats for ST in Goa Assembly before code of conduct of Lok Sabha election 2024, we shall try multiple strategies to create electoral damage to the ruling BJP government for both North Goa and South Goa seat in forthcoming parliamentary election.
The tribals wielding their political weapon would mean only 3 things. 1. The vote would shift to the India bloc or independent candidate. 2. The STs would field an independent candidate for themselves. Or 3. Would be refraining from voting or nota. The first option would usually benefit the India bloc candidate, while the second would be ineffective as there is no clarity on how much of the community voters are actually with the persons who have led the agitation. Nota would not do major benefit or harm to either sides. Considering the voting patterns of the ST communities in North and South Goa, it looks difficult for the ST community to cause any dent to the BJP in both the seats of Goa until they create solid mobilization in the state over the denial of reservation. However, the unity that the ST organizations create and the candidates that both the major parties will give will clarify whether the tribals become the deciding factor or remain restricted to a movement seeking political reservation in the state politics of Goa. Bureau Report, Herald TV.
In this edition of Street Voices, Team Herald spoke to several people to get their opinion on whether the official language of the voters has become more important than the official language of Goa and Goans.
The question that is being posed today is whether the voters' language is more important than the official language of Goa. And this question is being posed specifically because the Panchayat Minister who spoke to the crowd in Hindi, forgetting to speak in his own language. Now, the appeasement of these non-Goans is reached certain extent by this particular minister and others also, but this man has gone beyond, stretched himself to certain extent. At times he has tried to act as a Pujari, now he is talking in Hindi, he has made colonies for them. And what is all this for the purpose of votes? But I would like to tell him, and it is my experience, that the migrants who have passed 3-4 years in Goa, who have become voters in Goa, speak and understand Konkani better than I am sure than he himself and his family members. This minister believes that he is appeasing these migrants and create a vote bank. This vote bank is turning out to be a monster for Goa and Goans. It is already proved in the Panchayat series area, the non-Goans have become Sarpanch long time back. So, you should understand that this same monster one day, there will be a migrant who will contest against him and swallow him and defeat him.
येता तसो सूप धरपाक तसो आमचो ममीन बाब सामको माहीर हाजे पयलीं बी ताणें हें केल्लें आसा जेन्ना तो काँग्रेसीचो आमदार आशिल्लो आनीक BJPचें सूप धरतालो सो तातूंत भितर माहीर आनी आतां ताणें काल ज्या तरेन तो उलयला वास्को भितर की तुमकां थोड्यांक कोंकणी सारकी कळना म्हण आपूण हिंदी उलयता म्हण हें भायल्या राज्यांनी जावपाक शकना हें गोंयांक जावपाक शकता इनफॅक्ट गोंया भितर जो भायलो आयलो पळय तांकां गोंयची भास बेस बरी कळटा कित्याक तांकां सरभोंवतणी कोंकणी लोकां कडेनच संपर्क करचो पडटा आनी कोंकणी लोकां कडेनच संबंद दवरचो पडटा सो एक वर्सा भितर सगळीं जाण कोंकणी शिकतात आनी जरी तांकां बरोवपाक कळना तरी तें उलयल्लें सगळें कळटा अशें आमी जे स्कूल चलयतात आमकां जे आवटसायडर आमचे पेरंट्स म्हणटात तांचे वयल्यान आमकां कळटा ही फक्त भलावण आनीक मवीन गुदिन्हो सारको फामाद आसा वार येता सूप धरपाक म्हाका दिसना कसलीच गरज आसा त्या लोकां कडेन हिंदीन उलोवपाची बट अपीजमेंट म्हणटा पळय BJP सदां लोकांक ती अपीजमेंट ती ही की लोकांची अपीजमेंट करपाची म्हणल्यार गे बाबा आपूण तुज्या भाशेंतल्यान उलयता आय फील वी शूड स्टॉप दीस नाव गोंयची ऑफिशियल लँग्वेज कोंकणी गोंयकारांक आनी गोंयच्या भायल्यांक जे रावतात तांकां सगळ्यांक कोंकणी कळटा इनफॅक्ट हे सगळे लोक गोंया भितर एक तर इंग्लीश मिडियम नाल्यार कोंकणी मिडियमांतल्यान शिकता आनी इंग्लीश मिडियमांत शिकले तरी कोंकणी एक भास घेतात सो ही जी वार येता तशें सूप धरपाची प्रथा बंद करची मवीन बाबान आनीक गोंयची कोंकणी जी आहा ती वयर उखलून धरची.
Farmers of Agarwada have raised serious concerns over saline water entering their fields. The farmers have expressed frustration as no provisions are made by the authorities to address this issue despite highlighting it for months. The farmers have urged the authorities to address this issue and demanded construction of a wall to stop the saline water entering the fields.
फाटल्या WRDO साहेब पंचायत बॉडीतून फोन केल्ली पण हे गोष्टी एमएलए घेवन गेल्लो हे गोष्टी 2 महिने जाले अजून पर्यंत काय कितेंच जाल्लें ना आमचो डिमांड कितें आसलो पयलीं आदी हे पॅक करपाचें उदीक भितर येता ते सगळें आमच्या शेतान येयलें गेलें उदीक सगळें हे आले आमकां त्रास जाता हय तो एक सेन्सिटीव इशू आहा कित्याक जाणा हांगा हे उदक वयता पळय पळयता दारां ना म्हणजे हेचो टेंडर आतां जालें कितें गव्हर्मेंट टेंडर जाता डिपार्टमेंट टेंडर करता तो प्रोसिजर लेंथी जाता ते लेंथी प्रोसेसाक लागून
शेतकार सगळे इफेक्टेड झालेले आहे. आयज सगळी उदक वयर तेजे सगळी खारसाण लागला भितर आनी अख्खे शेत पिड्यार झालेलं आहे. तेंचो ना म्हटलं 15-20 जण इफेक्टेड झालेले आहे शेतकरी. आयज ते उदक तेंच्या शेतान गेला पळय, नेक्स्ट इयर तेंगे हे येता ते हेका शेतांक तेंका सारको हे लॉस तेंका. ते शेताचो एक झालो. सेकंड म्हणटा ते हांगर आगर आहा. हो त्या आगरान जो तुम्ही पळोवंक शकता, हांगर आगर हे उदीक भरता. बाय चान्स खंय तरी मातसो जो होल जालो थंय उदक गेलें जाल्यार तो आगर पिड्यार. 3 म्हयन्याची मेहनत तेंची वेस्ट. तेंचे कितें इन्कम आसलो तो वयतलो. तेका कोण रिफंड कितें करतलो काय गव्हर्मेंट हेंका? गव्हर्मेंटातून कितें मेळटलें? आयचे हिटीन तेंका कांय मेळूंक ना. आयचे हिटीन आगर पासून रिकॉग्नायज जाल्लेलें ना हे. जे कोण मीठ काडटा आयचे आगर वाडो फेमस आहा, नांवूच आगराचें आहा तेका. आनी हे आयज जितले मीठ करी जे कोण आहा पळय तेंचे अजून रिकॉग्नेशन तेंकां जावंक ना. जे कोणा ते रजिस्टरूय ना, तेंचे कांयच ना गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन रिटर्न. सो हांव मागता कितें सीएमान पासून हितून प्लीज कितें तरी करचें आनी असले जे सेन्सिटीव इश्यूज आसा स्पेशली मानशेचे म्हणटा पळय तेचेर पयलीं एफर्ट घालपाचो आनी डिपार्टमेंटाक स्ट्रिक्ट तेंचे सांगपाचें की हे बेगींतल्या बेगीन असले इश्यू आसा ते पयलीं सॉल्व करचे. टेंडर प्रोसेस तुमी करा, पूण जाता जाल्यार वे आउट करून कितें तरी जाता जाल्यार बेगींतल्या बेगीन ते करची कामां. कित्याक हो इश्यू इतलो जाल्लो ना म्हटल्यार ते आतां 2 म्हयने सफर करता. तो टेंडर जाता, टेंडर जालो, कॉन्ट्रॅक्टरान 2 पोतयो लायल्यो, ते व्हांवून गेल्यो. पोतयो तेणें थंय घातले ते पळय लायता लायता व्हांवून वयता. आयज अगर कोणी काम घेतलं कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर हांगा पावूंकूच ना. तो येतलो केन्ना येतलो हांव नको तो करता, डेली बेसिसार चालू आहा तेचे.
कोणाचे येता मरे बॅग बीग भरून
ती कितें दारां लावपाची आसली ती काय कशी
दार ते मोडान गेले ते दार लावपाचे आहा.
एक्च्युअल ती दारां लावंक जाय. ती दारां लावन तेका एडिशनल एक तबो म्हणटा तो घालूंक जाय, जाल्यारूच ते खंय तरी जातलें. आनी
WRD डिपार्टमेंट जे टेंडर आउट करता, टेंडर आउट करतना हांव मागता WRD डिपार्टमेंटा कडेन टेंडर कोण घालता तेका व्हेरीफाय करचें. तेजो कामाची हिस्ट्री पळोवची, बाबा कशें वर्क एक्सपिरियन्स तेजें पळोवचें. कित्याक लागून जाणा म्हाका दिसता आमी लास्ट संडेच्यान आयज येतलो, आयज तो प्लास्टीक बॅग्स लायता, उदकाची जरगत आसा, उदीक वाडटा, प्लास्टीक बॅग्स तेजे लायल्ले ते वयता. सो हांव कितें म्हणटा डिपार्टमेंटाक की तुमी जो कोणाक टेंडर दिता, नो डावट कोणूय व्हरोंक शकता टेंडर, जो कोण अप्लाय करता तो व्हरता, पूण तो बाबा जातलो तेजे कडेन बाबा कशें कितें जातलें. आनी तुमी तर टेंडराक रावत ही म्हणजे कशें निसर्गाची म्हणजे ही सगळ्यो गजाली तेंकां जाय तितकें वत जाय तितकें उदीक जाय. सो ह्यो सगळ्यो गजाली सारक्यो पळोवच्यो पडटात. आनी हे कशें आतां फॉर एग्जाम्पल आमी एक पंचायतीक एक कितें टेंडर काडटा तेका टायम आमी घेवंक शकता. असले गजालींक आमकां टायम मात्तूय वेस्ट करूंक जायना. कित्याक एक दीस तेंकां एक मानशेक बॉम्ब म्हणून पडटा, तो एक बॉम्ब पडलो सगळी तेंची मेहनत गेली मिठाची. आनी आमचो आगरवाड्या हो आगराक लागून मेन फेमस आहा. म्हाका दिसना मागीर आगरवाड्या हें नांवूच उरतलें कशें.
An unforeseen consequence of the ongoing smart city work, commuters faced a harrowing experience on Tuesday as a massive traffic jam paralyzed the Kadamba bypass. The bottleneck ensured due to the complete closure of the road from the Basilica of Bom Jesus Junction in Old Goa to Divja Circle in Panji, spanning the causeway and is slated to last from 10th March to 30th April 2024.
With stretch of road from the Basilica of Bom Jesus Junction in Old Goa to Divja Circle in Panji off limits of vehicular movement, the diverted traffic has inundated the Kadamba bypass road, resulting in a colossal queue of vehicles and leaving commuters stranded for extended periods. The abrupt surge in traffic along the bypass has overwhelmed the capacity of the alternative route, leading to extensive delays and frustration among those attempting to navigate the gridlock. The closure of the aforementioned road is a strategic measure to facilitate the ongoing smart city work, which aims to reshape and modernize the urban infrastructure. As a consequence, the diverted traffic is directed towards the NH 748 Kadamba bypass road, amplifying the congestion and creating a bottleneck scenario.
A fire erupted at Paras Medical Store near Vishal Theatre Arcade on Monday morning. The blaze is believed to have been caused by a short circuit. With a quick response from the firefighters, the fire was prevented from spreading further. Fortunately, no casualties were reported.
On Monday morning, a fire broke out at a medical store at Aquem. As per the store owner, he found smoke coming out of his store at morning 6 a.m. Assuming that it is due to fire, he immediately called fire department. Upon receiving the call, the firefighters quickly reached the spot, containing the blaze from spreading further.
लक्षात पासा कोणा फोन आयले आनी आमचे बरें मागपी जे आसा पळय तांणी फायर ब्रिगेडी आपयली ते दोवर भायर येता कित्यान म्हण कळ्ळें न्ही जेन्ना हांव भितर आयलो पयशे मिटर बंद केलो कितें मिटर तांणी MCB पयशे ते बंद जाल्यार वयर बारीक बारीक जो पेटील आसा तो दुबाव फक्त कितें एक कितें तरी शॉर्ट सर्कीट जावन कितें तरी किट्टी उसळली फायली दिली लागले
तशें मेजर
मेजर म्हणजे कितें फार्मास न्ही फार्मास म्हणजे की वखदां जी आसता पळय आनी जवळ जवळ 25 डिग्री वयर उरपाक कोता येना अशें येदे फार्मासी तशें म्हाका दिसता तेन्ना आतां मुखार विकप कशी ताजेर मेन प्रॉब्लेम म्हणजे आमी इन्शुरन्सा कडेन व्हरून पळोवया कितें जाता तें पूण दामबाबान सगळें साल्वार केलें म्हणल्यार जाता पळोवया मुखार कसं जाता
लॉस बी अशें कितें लॉस बी कितें जालें
लॉस अजून पर्यंत कांयच सांगपाक शकना
कितें उदक बी मारलेलें
ना उदक मारता तुका लॉस जातलेंच न्ही तुका आतां गरमेचेर कितलें लॉस जाला तें मागीर कळटलें तातूंत पर्यंत हांव तुका कांय सांगपाक शकना
Mohit Karangati for LTV.
A road safety meeting was convened at Mapsa police station, bringing together all taxi owners, rent-a-car and rent-a-bike owners. The meeting was conducted by Traffic PI Marlon D'Souza and served as a platform to educate participants on the importance of adhering to safety measures and precautions while driving.
Traffic PI Marlon D'Souza emphasized the responsibility of taxi owners and drivers in ensuring the safety of passengers and fellow road users. Key topics covered included defensive driving techniques and adherence to traffic regulation. The collaborative efforts aim to foster a culture of safety, ultimately contributing to a safer road environment for all.
सेफ्टी जे मेजर्स आसा हेल्मेट घालप स्पीड लिमिटीन चलोवप आनी हे जे सगळे सोरो पिवन चलोवप ना सीट बेल्ट घालप हे सगळे गजाली तांकां मायंडांतल्यान ते वयता बिकॉज दे आर ऑन हॉलिडे मोड सो आमचे रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आहा की आमी तांकां ते अवेर करचे आनी सांगचे की बाबा तूं स्कूटर चलयता कार चलयता तेन्ना तूं हॉलिडेचेर ना तूं गाडी चलोवपाचें काम करता आनी हेतून तूं सारको अलर्ट रावपाक जाय हेंचे रुल्स आनी रेग्युलेशन्स आसा ते फॉलो करपाक जाय
हांव त्या खातीर मागता की जी आमची रेंट बायक टीम वर्क आसा सगळी टीम आनी पुलीस हे सगळे मेळून काम करीत एक्सिडेंट खूब कमी जातले आतां सांगलेल्या प्रमाणे एक हे टर्म एंड कंडिशन रूल सगळे आमकां तेंच्यांनी शाळेन शिकयल्ले अशें आमकां शिकयल्लें आसा आनी आमी ते फुडें तांकां शिकोवंक जाय ते आमी अशें धरला की आमचो बिल बूक आसतलो तेजेर फाटल्यान आमी प्रिंट काडटले सो तांकां आनी स्पेशल हातीन लिफलेट दिवपाची गरज ना.
The Mapsa Municipal Council made significant strides towards enhancing governance and committee welfare by establishing various committees and subcommittees during a special session held on Monday. The new chairman of the Market Committee expressed a strong commitment to the comprehensive development, including improvements to parking, roads and safety measures of Mapsa Market. Concerns regarding market gates and the allocation of specific areas for local vegetable vendors were also addressed.
मेन म्हणजे पयली डिसिल्टिंगेचे आमी घातलेले आहा कित्याक डिसिल्टिंगेची आतां तयारी करपाक जाय रोड जर जालो जाल्यार मागीर फातरी काडल्यो जाल्यार परत ते रोड डॅमेज जातले सो आमी इमिजिएट एक हे करूंक सोदता हांव चेअरपर्सना कडेन रिक्वेस्ट करतलो की मार्केट डिसिल्टिंग पयली करया आनी सोमते मागीर रोड बीन आमी हे करया पेचर करया बस स्टँडाचेर आमी एक असो व्हिडिओ पळयल्लो फाटीं की थंय ज्यो हे आसा वायन स्टोर्स बीन आहा थंयच फुडें येवन बसता थंयच बाटल्यो उडयता त्या सायडीन लेडीसूय वयतात स्कुलाची भुरगीं वयता तेंचेर इफेक्ट खूब पडटा आसतलो पण मार्केटांतलो जेन्ना तुमी इशू हाडटा पळय तेन्ना रातचे आमचे वर्कर्स थंय आसता ट्रकूय आसता आनी सगळो गार्बेज कलेक्ट रातचो जाता कारण आमी आमच्या प्रत्यक्ष दोळ्यान पळयला रातचो थंय गार्बेज कलेक्शन जाता पण सकाळी जेन्ना परत गार्बेज थंय दिसता हितून म्युन्सिपालिटीक हांव दोश करिना कारण वर्कर काम करता आनी सकाळी परत उडयता हेचेर म्हाका दिसता प्रत्येक मार्केटान जे मेंबर्स आसा ते उडयतात तेंच्यांनी चिंतूंक जाय प्रत्येक जावन उडयना पण एकट्यान सुद्दां उडयलो जाल्यार एकट्यान उडयले की बाकीचे उडोवपाक वयता त्या जाग्यार जशें आमी भायर पळयतात की कचरो रातचो म्युन्सिपालिटी काडटा आनी रोखडेच अर्द्या वरान लोक हाडून उडयता तो खंय तरी एक म्हाका दिसता उडोवंक जायना ते आमी स्वता जर सुरू केलें किंवा दुसरो कोण उडयता जाल्यार ताका आमी जर सांगलें बाबा अशें करचें न्हू खंय तरी एकी कडेन दवरा किंवा पोतयेन एका बांदून दवरा सो रातचो क्लियर केल्लो सकाळी सुद्दां क्लियर करपाक बरो जाता आतां सद्या अंडरग्रावंड केबलींग जालें आनी अंडरग्रावंड केबलींग करून धूळ बीन सगळी ऑलरेडी जाता सो कस्टमरांक शॉपकिपरांचे डिस्प्ले जे आसता ते खूब डिफिकल्टी जाता तेचो एक इशू आसा. म्हणजे मार्केटांतली गेट जी आसा म्हणजे शकुंतला कडेन गेट घातल्या त्याच्या बद्दल MMA येवन रिक्वेस्ट करता. सो तेचे बद्दल कितें तरी इशू सॉल्व करपाक आनी मार्केटांतले रोड्स तेचे बद्दल सॉल्व करपाचो म्हाजो प्रायोरिटी आसतली. की आमचे लोकल व्हेजिटेबल्स जे विकपी आसात ते आपली जाणटी असतात जी येतात किंवा जाणटे असतात जे येतात आणि ते बसीन प्रवास करतात, सकाळी येतात, आपलो सामान घेतात, 2 वरां विकतात आनी घरा वयतात. तांकां सुद्दां आमचे थोडे वर्कर्स त्रास करता म्हणून आमकां आयकूंक येतालें. पण आमचे जे लोकल आसा ते आपलो म्हाका दिसता कश्ट करून पिकयतात आनी बाबडे दिसाचे मेहनत करतात, कितें तरी 300-400 जोडटा आनी तेचेर बाबडे दीस एक करतात. हांवें ऑलरेडी मिटिंगेक सांगलेली की तांकां एक स्पेशल वेंडर झोन करया जे लोकल व्हेजिटेबल्स आसा तशे. पण अजून पर्यंत ते जावंक नासलें आनी म्हाजी तरी इच्छा आसा की एक खंय तरी बारीकसो तांकां जागो दिवचो. सो तेतून आमी आमच्यो पिकयल्ल्यो ज्यो भाजयो आसा त्यो खंय तरी विकपाक तांकां जे 2 वरां मेळटा ती अर्दो दीस किंवा आख्खो दीस असो मेळटलो. तेतून म्हाका दिसता तांकांय हेल्प जातलो जी आमची जाणटी बीन बसता पळय तितले.
Nero Sports Club scored a hard-fought 2-0 win over St. Saviour Sports Club Kalangut to move into the semi-finals of the 16th London Trophy Inter-Village Football Tournament 2024. The match was organised by Goa Velia Sports Club and was held on Goa Velia Sports Club ground.
In a fast-paced encounter between North Goa giants, Nerul Sports Club started attacking from the kickoff. Nerul Sports Club missed a glorious opportunity to surge ahead through Pradyut Shirodkar, who shot wide with only the St. Saviour Sports Club keeper to beat after being put through by Dew Sangirkar in the 17th minute of play. Both the teams were locked goalless at half-time. Pradyut Shirodkar of Nerul Sports Club made it 2-0 in favour of Nerul Sports Club in the 62nd minute of the play. Substitute Shaish Palyekar of St. Saviour Sports Club failed to reduce the margin when he saw his long-range effort put out for a corner by the Nerul Sports Club keeper Krupesh Bandodkar in the 63rd minute of the play. Pradyut Shirodkar was awarded Man of the Match by John Vegas, member of Goa Vela Sports Club. For Herald TV.
That's all we have in today's news bulletin. Thanks for watching Herald TV News. For more news and alerts, please follow us on Heraldo on Facebook and Twitter. Take care. Goodbye.